Hey there, ready to dive into the world of crypto? Let's get you set up on Binance in just 6 easy steps. Step 1. Visit the Binance website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Binance website. Make sure it's the real one to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click on Register. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. Easy, right? Step 3. Choose your registration method. Binance offers several options: email, phone number, or even third-party options like Apple or Google. Pick what works best for you. Step 4. Verification code. After you enter your email or phone number, Binance will send you a verification code. Pop that code in to move forward. Step 5. Set a secure password. Make sure it's a strong mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't use password 123, you can do better. Step 6. Congratulations. You've successfully registered on Binance. Now you can explore, trade, and manage your crypto assets with ease. And there you have it. Registering on Binance is as easy as pie. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Happy trading!